Alright, I got the seat foam separated from the base, and this base is it's going to have to get reused though, so I'll have to clean this up. I peeled off as much of the silicone and crap as I could already, but I get looking at it and noticed that there's two little tabs here that seem to be bent upward. They don't really look like they should be, so I thought I would check the subframe to see how that fit on there, to maybe get a little more insight into what's going on. So took the subframe and put it on here, see how that fit on. Right where those plastic tabs are bent, and notice that there's a couple of missing tabs here. Appear to have been sheared right off. So that's great. One more thing that needs to get fixed. Aside from this right here, this whoops, shit. Somebody went and jammed a nut in there. So I'm guessing they stripped the threads right there, and instead of fixing that properly, they just did a hillbilly fix and just jammed the nut in there. So that I should be able to fix myself, but those tabs, I don't know. Do I need those tabs? No, not necessarily. The seat will stay in place without them, but kind of would be nice to have just for stability and keeping the seat where it needs to be. Yeah, I'll have to get somebody to weld on a couple of new tabs, I guess. Probably set me back another $100. The swing arm has been fixed. Should be able to pick that up tomorrow. That's going to set me back $100. So yeah, so that having been said, like I said, I'm going to reuse this plastic base here, even though it's got about 1,000 staple holes in it. I'm going to drill out the rivets here for these tabs. So I gotta fix this tab here. Obviously, it's been drilled out. So this is steel, fortunately, so I can deal with that. I can weld that up. So I'll drill those rivets out, remove those tabs, and throw this plastic seat base into the laundry room sink, and hit it with some hot water and some Dawn dish detergent, and maybe clean up some of these sharp spikes here, and get it ready for a new seat foam and new seat cover eventually. So here we are, the next step. Back to work. Well, that's a dramatic transformation right there. Of course, using the wire wheel again. You got to get all that zinc plating off if you want to do any welding, because of course that's it's toxic if you weld any steel with any galvanized steel there with the zinc plating. So yes, you get all that off, and not only can you weld with it safely, but you can also replate it with something new, be it zinc or nickel. But yeah, it's gonna look good. Okay, of course I gotta weld up that hole. It's obviously substantially bigger. It's been drilled out, so yeah, again, quite a transformation. I'll work on this guy next. Got the seat base soaking with a little Zep anti-greaser, and we're gonna tackle that next. Back to work.